Let me take one.
Y'all taking groceries. Right.
That's it. I'm getting back in the car.
Go ahead, shake.
I'm gonna tear it apart.
Bacon and
Right here, huh?
eggs. Bacon and eggs. Y'all back up. Hope somebody got some good dread shampoo.
I need some shoes.
I got you, babe. You got it. You got it.
You got this. You got this.
You can do it.
Y'all back up. Back up.
You got it. You can do it.
Y'all been eating the bird. I mean the bread. It's my black.
Birdie, birdie, birdie. I'm a dance bread. Now let's clap if you get it.
You can do it.
Maybe.
I don't know. Maybe you need to do it. Move out a little bit further. Here he come. You got your boy. Connect the eyes.
I'm making eye contact and everything.
Look, take that bread and move it out there to the field. Take that bread and move it out there.
Look at this bread, boo. Look at this bread.
Mom, drop it.
No.
Look, when I come in,
Right now, watch all of them come. What I tell you? What I tell you?